everybody, so I'm gonna be showing you all my fidgets, all my poppers, all that, all the, okay? So, my first poppet. Let's get right into the video. I love this. You guys already know I do. I love this so much. Yes. 10 out of 10. Next, my second newest poppet. I love it. Let's do ASMR. This is quiet side. And now loud side. Out of 10. Oh my god, I hate this shirt. I love this one. So I'm going to be rating this one. That was the quiet side. Loud side. I love this one. 10 out of 10. Rainbow one. ASMR. Quiet side. Ooh, something behind. Hold on, you guys. Okay. Ooh. That was a quiet side. Now let's do the loud side. Ten out of 10 for this one. Now this is the octagon poppet. This is the quiet side. You really can't hear nothing. Okay, let's try the loud side. I give this one a 6 out of 10. I don't really like this one. Okay, teddy bear one, quiet side. This one is really, really quiet too. Loud side. Okay, I give this a 8 out of 10. Okay, now let's get the rest of my puppets. Got this one. This one, this one, and I got some simple dimples. Then one right here. So I'm just gonna be rating all my fidgets practically. So first I'm gonna do all the popping things. Fix my shirt. Okay, so first I'm gonna do this one. I don't know what happened to this, but yeah, okay. It's on loud side. Quiet side. I feel like this one is way louder. Okay, let's try it again. Never mind. 10 out of 10, love this one, and I love the colors on it. It gives me summer vibes. What is that? What is that? My cousin did this. My cousin Kingston did this. So this is a loud side. Oh my god, something keep getting in my eye. Okay, loud side. This one is really loud. This one is the quiet side. On both sides, they're pretty loud. I give this a 10 out of 10. Love it so much. And I love the color. So this one broke too. I broke it on purpose. I know. I wanted to break it since this one broke. I just wanted to break this one. But yeah, this is the quiet side. It's pretty pretty loud. Loud side. And I'm going to be telling you where I got all of these puppets too. But now it's time for the simple dimple. I'm not going to tell you yet at the end of the video. But let's do it. Okay, whatever. Come on, ready? ASMR. I think this is the loud side. Yep. Quiet side. Loud side again. I give this a 10 out of 10. This is the same. 10 out of 10 too. And I got this one with my Among Us puppet, so let's test it. 10 out of 10. I love little simple dimples. And now let's get all my snappers. This is my basket full of fidgets. And I got some fidgets in here too. In my backpack. But all I need right now. Okay, I got also a lot of stuff. Okay, so let me get my snappers. Okay, so I got 3 snappers. So let's taste. Okay, I don't really like this one. This is hard. Like when it snaps, you have to like pull it hard to get off. So I give this one a 6 out of 10. But I love the color. I love this one. It's easy to like take apart. I give this one a 8 out of 10. It just makes a lot of nails. I mean, not nails. It makes a lot of noise. But yeah, and I love the color too. Okay, I keep doing that now. I need to stop licking my lips. Let me get some water. I love this water bottle. My mom got it for me. Water dripping. Okay. I love this snapper too. Okay, I give it a 8 out of 10 also. Okay, now let's rate my wacky tracks. My piece of my wacky track. Okay, so you can make a snapper out of a wacky track, and I've been making snappers. So I just made them. And I like this. It don't make that much noise. So yeah, and it's so easy to make. And it's so easy to put back together. I love it. Keep getting notifications. I love it. 10 out of 10. Now let's rate this one. I don't know what happened to all my pieces, but also 10 out of 10. Put it right here. Okay, now I'm going to be reading all my stress balls. Gotta get all my stress balls out. Okay, then I get this one and this one. One fail. Okay. Okay, you guys like my hair? Love it. Okay, this one is a DIY air stress ball, and I give it a 6 out of 10. It's not really either. This one is a water stress ball. I give it an 8 out of 10. I really like it. It's just really loud. And this one is with flowers, kind of like a dough ball. I give it a 9 out of 10. It's really stretchy. And it's like so soft too. And it can squish. And this one is with rice. I give this a 10 out of 10. I really like it. It's like just like salmon. And I love it. And I love the way like it feels. It feels so good on your hands. Okay. Orbeez Stress Ball. I love this. I've just made this today. It feels so nice on your hands. This one feels like it's like massaging your hands. Give this a 10 out of 10. This is what Saw is. It's just like a dough ball too. 10 out of 10. And this is with water and color changing. I love the color changing. 10 out of 10. And this is another dough ball. This is really dough though. I give this a 7 out of 10. And this one is with soap. It smells so good. Oh my god. 9 out of 10. I love it. And then this is just like, sometimes I feel like it's about to like pop. So I give this a 5 out of 10. I don't really like it. But when you squeeze it like this, you guys cannot see it on camera, but it like changes color. Wait, can you hear it? Yeah, there. So like, so I don't like this. I give this a 5 out of 10 right here. But I do like this. So I give this a 10 out of 10. But it kind of hurts your finger. But I give like this, the color change that hurts your finger. I might throw this one away. It kind of hurts. Yeah, I'm gonna throw this one away. Like, it kind of hurts your finger, but I'm gonna take this balloon out. And now I just got this. This is right here. I give this a 6 out of 10. This is trash. Put it right there. Okay, so that's all my stress balls. Homemade stress balls. Oh my god. Okay. Homemade stress balls. I got a lot of you guys. And globbles are coming. I got a lot. Put those right there. Okay, and for my big giant Orbeez Stress Ball, I love this so much. 10 out of 10. 11 out of 10. What I'm doing, guys. Yes. Oh my god, I'm literally gonna tie this shirt up if it don't. Like, yes, I'm tying this shirt up, you guys. There. Oh my god, it's just untied. You know what? Do that. But yeah, 11 out of 10. I love this stress ball. Okay, now I'm gonna be like rating my marble. Wait, no, I'm gonna be rating my mochis. I only got 2 mochis, by the way. So, I don't know what this is. I think this is like a wolf or something, or like a llama. But I think it's a llama, so I'm gonna call it a llama until I know what it is. But yeah, I rate this llama. It's very stretchy, very squishy, and it's so cute. It's adorable. So 10 out of 10. I love this one. And then this is on the floor. This one is so soft. Oh, this one's soft too. I love it. And it's so sticky. You can like stick to anything. But yeah, this one is so soft and the tail is very stretchy. And I could do this with it. So 10 out of 10 too. And I'm just going to be rating my lower mash. Actually, maybe I'll rate... Oh, guys, look what I found. I found a pineapple thing. Maybe I'll rate my DIY finger rings. You know how it says acupuncture rings? These are finger rings. So you put them on your fingers and then... Wait, you put them on all your fingers and then... It's kind of like an acupressure ring, but it's on your hand, not on your finger. So, yes, I love all of these. I gave these a 9 out of 10. And you can wear them as bracelets too. So, yes. 9 out of 10. And they're so fuzzy. Oh my god, whatever. They're so soft. And now I'm going to be rating my DIY rainbow buttons. So DIY rainbow buttons, these are really good for ASMRs. I really like it. 8 out of 10. And then I think my final thing to rate is my bubble mash. Yeah. I love this thing. I play with it all the time. Gonna do this too. I give this a 10 out of 10. So now I'm gonna be showing you where I got all my poppets from. So let's start with all my poppets. Where I got all my poppets from. Oopsies. Put this back there. Okay, so starting with this one. I got this from the liquor store, People's Market. I got this from a liquor store from People's Market. This was a really good sale, and they're only $6, so got a lot. And then for this one, I got from Target for like $8. So yeah. From this one, I got from the mall. This was $10. And this one I also got from the liquor store, $6. And this one I also got from the liquor store. This was $6 too. And then this one I also got from the liquor store. These are like all $6. So this one I got from Target, $10. Well, actually $11. And I got this one off of online from fidget store. And this was $6. This was $6. And I got this one off of Amazon, also $8. So that's all my puppets I got from there. Now I'm going to be showing you where I got all my simple dimples. So I got this one off of online too, fidget store. This was like $6, but I asked for a triple simple dimple. They gave me like the regular simple dimple, so that's okay still. Okay. And I got these from People's Market, the liquor store. And I like these too. When I saw these, my head was about to explode, literally. And now I'm going to be showing you where I got all my snappers from. I got these two from the liquor store for $5. Oh yeah, these was $6. And I got this one from off of online, the fidget store. And this was like $3 kind of. Wait, no, it was $4. This was $4, and they came with different like colors too. So I got my wacky track. I got this one off of online. I got this one from the store too. Ooh, I got this one from store. And these was like $2 each. $2 each. And I got these buttons. They come with something, but I got these buttons at Walmart for like $5, $6, something like that. And I got these finger rings from Claire's for like $2, $1. Ooh. They come with all different colors too. And I got these emojis from Dollar Tree for only $1 each. Well, not $1 each. They come with packages, and they're like $2 each. So yeah, $1 for emojis. And then I got my rubber mask from psychofidgetstore.com too. This was $2. And then I got I got this from Walmart for $8, $7.99, $8. Well, I didn't get it. My cousin traded me for something, so yeah. So she traded me, so I'm gonna put that right there. And then let me get on my stress ball, a homemade stress ball, and I got these balloons. If you guys want balloons, I got these balloons from Dollar Tree for $1. All these balloons from Dollar Tree, and my other one over there. And I got these baby boy balloons from Walmart for like $1, $2. And I got this also for $1 at Dollar Tree. So yeah, that's all my fidgets. Oh, got something else. If you guys want marbles, I got these marbles. They're the same. Ooh, they're the same color. I got these. Oops. So I got these from Walmart for $2. So yeah, that's all my fidgets. You guys see me? Guys cannot. So yeah, and that's all my fidgets. So now I'm gonna organize them. So let me take everything out. Oh, one last thing in here. Toddlers. I got these from Walmart in a Ryan pack. The Ryan pack was like not that much. It was like $4, $3. So yeah, and it was the only one left. And I got this marble too from Walmart. And I found my piece. My wacky track. It was in here. Well, I didn't find it. I knew it was in here. Okay. So yeah, I'm just gonna clean everything out. These are my keys. They got a simple dimple too. And I got that simple dimple from the same store, and I got $1 in here. And my cards, my bank account cards, my bank account cards. This is my sister's and this is mine. I got the Gucci colors. Goose, 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 goose. Goose. Boom. Okay. So first, let's put all my pockets in here. Mamma mia, mamma mia, mamma mia, mamma mia, mamma mia. Let me just like organize this. I just throw everything in there. So. In there first, and then let's sew my snappers, my simple dimples. Oopsies. Simple dimples. Coddlers. Stress balls. And my finger rings. My hand rings. My marble mash, my mochis, my wacky tracks. Oh my god, these freaking, let me throw the marbles in. Wacky tracks, my buttons. Ooh, maybe I should put this in like on the bottom. I'm gonna put that in the bottom. Okay, and then I'm gonna put like my cards and my backpack. And I'm gonna put all my lens in here too. I'm gonna put my keys in here and my dollar. And yes, I'm gonna get my card, put it in there. I'm all done. Thank you guys for watching. I love you guys so much. Thank you guys for 10 subscribers. Let us get that plaque. Let us get that plaque. Let us get that 100K plaque. Thank you guys. I love you guys so much. Thank you guys. I remember I have 0 followers, then I had 8, then I have 10. So I love you guys so much. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace.